there's a lot of superficiality that comes out in that level of Hollywood, where people who are, you know, in that kind of high level powerhouse Hollywood, they feel like they need to make bold statements either against Trump or against, you know, issues such as that. Suddenly, they become very socially conscious, you know, but they don't talk about so many other things, for example, poverty or refugees or what the kind of genocide that is happening around the world. They really talk about things that just concerns them. It's and I find that sort of hypocritical at the same time that I think, you know, I am a feminist. I think I care about women. That's all I devote my work on, and I believe in strong women, and that's what I am, I think. But I think there is a superficiality that I don't really appreciate. But I think that's about the only thing you can expect from that kind of platform. That is a kind of platform that reaches the media in the way that they like to, you know, catch things on that kind of shallow, passing way. And then tomorrow is another going back to the same thing. But it doesn't really touches anything deep in terms of that deeper level of discrimination and discrimination not only about gender, but discrimination about many things, about class, about race, you know, like the black people, how they've been discriminated against. And to this day, there's so few possibilities. And the Muslims in that country. And so I find it kind of hypocritical about how people are very selective about, you know, what they want to magnify in their, you know, megaphones so people could hear, but they don't really talk about anything that really matters, you know. And yet they feel so empowered by speaking up about something, and they feel like they're really like very vocal and they're advocate for something. But it's just, to me, it's just touching the surface. It really doesn't go very deep, and tomorrow is completely forgotten.